Like we mentioned last week, we're trying out origami after a long time. And since we have a party coming up, we decided to make these origami boxes with a lid to hold the gifts. Hope you enjoy!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
To make these boxes, we used designer paper, light cardstock, and scissors or a cutting tool. We started off by deciding which paper to use for the lid and which to use for the base. The plain white paper was going to be the base for our box, so we made sure it was about 1 centimeter smaller than the designer paper. Then, like we did in our last video, we cut both sheets of paper into perfect squares. We creased the end of the paper with our fingernail, folded the paper over, creased the edge, and cut. Now that we have a crease going all the way across the paper, we creased it the other way to make an X. Then we folded over the 4 ends of the paper like so. The tip of each corner has to line up with the center. Crease the edges. Next, we folded over one side of the paper, lining it up with the crease in the center, like so. We did the same for the other side. Then we turned the paper around and repeated this step. Here, we reshot it from a better camera angle so you can see what we're doing a little better. Next, we unfolded 2 of the sides like so. Then, we took one corner of the square and folded it over to make a diagonal crease. We did the same to the other corners. Then we folded the same corners in the opposite direction. When that's finished, the corners should have 2 creases that make an X. Next, we folded over the 2 long sides like so. We used the corners we just creased to pull up one side of the paper. Then we folded that over the crease like so. We did the same to the other side to complete the lid. We repeated these steps to make the base, and then put them together to finish the box. And, for a little extra detail, we decided to glue on one of our DIY paper rosettes to the lid of the box. The link to the video is in the description box below if you want to learn how to make them. And voila! The box is complete!
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!